Nice scale takeoff there, Pete.
Thank you. Better get that rear end up. It's staying together.
There you go. You epoxied it or super glued it again? Or?
Yeah, I epoxied it really good.
Did it bust the foam all the way around or just in halfway or what?
The little, what do you call them? The little fingers that go back into the
piece.
pump,
Yeah.
that's where it come loose.
Huh.
And so none of the foam was actually broken. It just looked rough, I guess, because it wasn't finished real well.
May want to just pop it back down, just take a quick look at it after flying it a little bit, you know, make sure it hasn't tweaked it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Better to find out that it's a little loose or not. And then you can always take back up. Look at you.
Good news about Jim and Carolyn, right?
Yeah, I guess so. They said the surgery went well, but she'll be in the sounded like rehab for 2 to 3 weeks, and then a resident for continued rehab and therapy for another 4 weeks or so.
And as I understand, if I understand correctly, Medicaid's going to take care of the nursing home.
That's what he said.
So I knew that Medicaid requirements were less for nursing homes than they are for just straight.
Yeah, I was going to say, I'm surprised when he said Medicaid. I was like, well, maybe he meant Medicare.
He's good on Medicaid.
As my mom, when she had to go into the nursing home, she didn't qualify for the Medicaid, I guess, or at least that's what they told her.
Carolyn's a dual eligible. She's eligible for both Medicare and Medicaid.
Yeah, my mom was on Medicare, but my mom had 2 other good insurances. My dad had retired from the Air Force and the post office.
Oh yeah, there you go, right there.
And so she had
her benefits.
Yeah, I used to go get her prescriptions, pick them up from the Walgreens, and they were like free all the time. Or if there was a bill, it was like 12 cents for them. I'm sitting there spending $300 plus a month on my prescriptions. I'm like, wow, man, where did I go wrong? And my mom's Medicare paid for a room up there, like 80% of it or something like that. And but you know, my mom, had lived alone for the 10 years or so since my dad had passed, and she wasn't crazy about sharing a room.
Yeah.
And I don't blame her a bit, because you know the roommate was have the TV on all hours of the night and blaring volume because they couldn't hear it and stuff like that.
And visitors coming in.
Yes, I went and talked to the administrator, and they said, no, we only have semi-private because of insurance.
Yeah.
And
the difference is
big time. It was $7,500 a month for a private room. And I'm not a man of means, so believe me, there's only a very, very short, limited time you can afford to pay for that.
True. That's 5 minutes, so I know I can get more out of it. I feel like I'm hogging the air here.
No, not at all. I got a new camera and I'm trying a different setting on it, so this has given me a chance to see if it's going to be all lined up or not. This has a built-in zoom on it. Didn't want to get in your way there.
Boy, his landing flat.
Was that causing it to balloon up?
Yeah.
Wow. Nice landing.